YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some more quick fixes on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Dorado suction side pool cleaner meant for above ground pools. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again, today we have a Pentair Kreepy Krauly Dorado suction side in-ground pool cleaner. This is a trade grade item, so if you guys want to know any more about what trade grade means, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got a video to kind of help you guys understand what trade grade means in the pool industry. For today's video, we want to actually show you guys just how to remove this top shroud, which will actually get you access to the oscillator here, which is the main driving function of this cleaner. As you guys can see, I already took off the brush ring and the top shroud with the bumper assembly on it. Again, if you guys want to know how I got that far, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. We got a playlist that'll walk you guys through tearing this cleaner from the outside in. For today's video, I've already disassembled it and taken those out. So in order to take this top shroud off is very simple. Once you remove the screws and you have access to this, all you're looking for is on this portion, this front right portion to me, on the cleaner head, there's a pin that you're going to push in, as well as on the opposing corner here, you're just gonna go ahead and push that pin in. And once you push them both in, this whole top shroud just slides right off. This is very important to the functionality of the cleaner, as it protects the main oscillator as well as all of these other side gears from any dirt and debris getting in there. As this sits on top, it makes sure that any bigger rocks or pieces don't actually have access to any of your other gears, because we all know that rocks and plastic gears don't mix. And then once you actually have your Unidapt handle attached onto the top here, where you will actually plug in the hose of the cleaner, it's pretty much sealed off completely from any dirt and debris being able to get into your cam or any of the other working gears here. So make sure that if these do snap off for whatever reason, that you guys do get a new shroud. Make sure you guys check out the links in the description for that, to replace it, to make sure that everything is sealed properly so that it actually works, as well as you are unable to attach the hose back to the cleaner without this, so you physically can't actually operate the cleaner without this piece of equipment. So once you get your new one, it simply slides on. It's directional. Obviously, you can't put it on this way. It has to go where the side shroud actually protects the gears, and then the other portion goes over the actual axle of the cleaner. Then you just push it down till it clips in there. Then reattach everything as you took it off and get the cleaner back in the pool to work. Really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.